Hello, this is Nacho with Advantage Homes, Nacho Yanez, Mobile Homes Chula Vista. And today we are in another park here for a walkthrough in a wonderful mobile home for sale. Okay, so first of all, let me switch the image. Okay, and let me show you this park. We are on Anita Street on Chula Vista. Okay, and the name of this park is Linwood South. Is one of the nicest park. It's a senior park, so you have to be 55, or one person living with you needs to be 55 or older, and the rest have to be 18 or older, so no minors allowed. They can visit you and so, but they cannot live permanently here. Okay, so the park is very well located. It's near the freeways, the transportation with the trolley, and also the commercial areas near Broadway. So it's a very nice park. And the home is this one we're seeing. It's a 2006 model, 27 by 56. So you have almost 1,500 square feet. So really big home. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Okay. And what else? It has a carport with a space for 2 cars easily. And let's move over there so we can see the main entrance. It looks really nice. It doesn't have neighbors at the front or at the back, you know, or oh yeah, sorry, it does. No, it has a porch in this area, but it has some nice yard here on the side. You can put your little groceries garden here, and they had tomatoes in here, and yeah, you got a green thumb, or you can put some other things to enjoy. You know, just if you don't like plants, you can just put something outside there for enjoy the wonderful weather. So this is the main entrance, and we're looking at the living room. Very spacious, as you can see. There, in that area, that door there leads to the master. We will go there in a minute. And as you can see, this is what we're looking is the dining area and the kitchen. So this is the dining area with a space for a nice dining table. You're looking at the vinyl floors. This is the kitchen with an island, and that door that is open there on the left is to a pantry. So look at that. Very nice. You got your pantry here with the shelves are already in. All the appliances that you're looking at, so this microwave, the stove, they're in good shape and they're included. So this is the dishwasher, and say you have the sink here. The home is from 2006, but it's been well kept, you know, in very good condition. The refrigerator is also included. The only thing that you probably want to replace, or at least do a good cleaning, is the carpet. You know, the carpet, yeah, you see that he has seen better days, but just, it's the only thing. These days you can put some vinyl flooring, some laminated, at really convenient prices. So all the rest in the home is in very, very good shape. This is the laundry room, and again, this stackable, stacked washer and dryer is included. But you can, if you prefer the standard ones, there's room here wide enough, you know, for a washer and a dryer. And outside you have access to the carport. So here, yeah, you can put some more plants or have your patio in here. And here you have a space very comfortably for a couple of cars. Okay, you see here the birds, and so it's very, very nice environment, very quiet. Yeah, it was really good. And remember, as long as one person in the family is 55 or more and nobody is younger than 18, the family can live here. Okay, so now let's go and look at the rooms. Let's turn on the living room and look at the master. First thing you can see is that the master bedroom is on this side of the home, and the other two bedrooms, are on the other side. So that's good. Let's say that you have here several people living. Well, you're separated by the common area, so that's really good for privacy. So this is the master, okay? Very spacious as well, because the home is at 27 wide. And look at the closets. Has two closets. One here with mirrors and everything. Hello, Nacho. And it has a walk-in closet as well. So yeah, plenty of space, and the shelves are already included. Then this is the master bathroom with a walk-in shower, double vanity, the mirrors, and this home you will not see a chip in the mirrors. They're very well maintained, very well kept. This is a cabinet, a medicine cabinet. Sorry. And let's turn around. Here you got Hola, buenas tardes, Rosana Peña. She's put in a comment. Remember, you can write your comments there and I will answer them as we go. Or later on, this video is going to be on Facebook, on my page, and also on YouTube, on my YouTube channels. Remember, the channels are called Nacho, Yanez, Mobile Homes, Chula Vista. And there you have all the homes that I have for sale. So this is the bathroom, and again, you have some storage there. I'm going to repeat this and put there, but my phone number is 619-551-0420 in case you are interested in more details. And so, remember, you're looking at a home in a senior community, which is a 5518. So remember, if you have kids, unfortunately, you can visit. Okay, I think somebody calling, but probably have to wait. Sorry, until we finish with the live video. Okay, we are going now. This is the second bathroom, as you can see, very good condition. Again, and this has a second family room. So you have the living room, and this is like another family room next to the bedrooms. The bedrooms are good space, good size as well. You see, with plenty of windows. This is the second bedroom. And again, kind of with a closet, with this mirror. So you can see the home is big. It's very big, very spacious, and is nicely kept. You have also some more closets in here. And this is the third bedroom, bedroom number 3. And again, very nice closets with mirrors. And just to highlight how well kept are the mirrors. Look at that, in very good condition. Okay, so some details. The home is from 2006. It's 27 by 56, which is 1,512 square feet approximately. And the price is 159,900. Okay. All this information is going to be when I upload and edit, had the chance to edit the video, okay? But that's what we have, okay? So 159,900 is financeable, and you can call me on my cell phone, and I'm going to show you there the sign so you can see the phone number. So you can call Nacho, which is me, okay? And my phone is 619-551-0420 if you're interested in showings or qualifying for a loan, etc. So the rent of the park is a little bit more than, it's around 1,000, but you have to confirm with the park manager. and it has rent control by the city of Chula Vista. Okay, so, well, I think this is it. Let's look at the front of the home, and that's all. I'm outside, so for once I took my my mask, but remember, wear your mask if you're in public and all of that. Let's help us finish with the COVID. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again on the next video of Nacho Yanez mobile homes in Chula Vista with Advantage Homes. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.